Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's me, J-Man. I am going to tell you, I'm going to take you someplace exciting. I told you that yesterday. I'm telling you that now. It's a pretty cool place, but I just filled up with gas. I got my road supplies, my Mountain Dew, my water, GoPro, obviously. So, let's get it started. Okay, so about 45 minutes later, 50 minutes, give or take, we made it to our destination. I tried to record, but for some reason I don't know. I can't get this thing to operate right on my windshield. I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. It's a learning process. But anyway, we are here. So let's get out and check out what I have to show you guys. We are at a place called Alto Pass, Bald Knob, Illinois. Roughly about 50 minutes away from Cape. But I stumbled across this place that we're going to now, I guess maybe 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Because what I usually do when I move to a new city, I drive around and just get lost. And I just continuously do it again and again and again until I find all these hidden gems and places that no one knows about. So we stumbled across this out in the middle of nowhere, and here it is. It is pretty awesome. The thing is huge, but you can see it across the river. Look at this view. I'll sit down on this bench here. I mean, look how pretty it is. Look at that valley over there, something you see off a video game. Now, if I'm correct, I think that's the Mississippi River right over there, and that's probably where I was yesterday. And I was pointing over here, because that looks about right. But it is beautiful here. Very peaceful, very serene. I've noticed, well, they've actually redone this, but I've noticed there is a top part to it now and an antenna. I wonder if we could go up there. That would be pretty sweet. But yeah, the view up here is just amazing. You just look at all that. It's gorgeous. Just a big cross. Yeah, they've redone this since last time I was here. I think they might have been starting on it. Oh, I bet this is really nice. And nighttime has got the big spotlights on it. Oh wow, cool. In honor, in memory. That's really neat. East Row 15. Peace. Faith. We got some more names. This is South Row 15. Okay, so this way must be south. Okay. Hope. This is west. That's just really awesome. What if there? Haha, there's a door. And I want to go in. I want to go in it. This is Charity, and this is North. I'm sure it's locked, but worth a shot, huh? Yeah. This is a really beautiful place. It's just a really, really big cross. Looks a lot prettier than last time I remember it. It's pretty beat down. They did a lot of improvement. A lot of improvement. Wonder why that's a different color. Is the other, no? Same color all the way around. It's weird. Man, it is pretty. Oh, let's see what this is. In memory of Wayman R. Presley, who shared a vision of the Cross of Peace in 1937 and dedicated the rest of his life to building and maintaining it. Dedicated in 1993 by his wife, Tressie S. Presley. He was born in 1896 and lived to 1990. Wow. Random place to put a cross. Pretty sweet, I must say. You know, it's little treasures like this that you find. They really, well, there's a ladybug. A lot of ladybugs, actually. But it's little treasures like this that you find that really make life worth it, you know? A lot of people take stuff like this for granted. But little things, it really is. It's a journey. Getting all philosophical on you. Man, the ladybugs are out like crazy. Of course, it's the middle of December, and it's like 65, 70 degrees here, which is oddly strange. Whoa, what do we got down here? Oh wow, looks like they're building something. No, what used to be here? Oh wow. Looks like this used to be something, and they tore it down. Is this the original cross when we moved up on the hill? Caution. Steep hill, you think? Keep away. Oh. I want to know what was there. That looks like benches. Looks like there was a theater here or something. It says keep away, but I really want to go down there. I'm sure they won't say much. Yeah, and what's in that door? I never knew this was here. I never walked off the hill this far. On this side. It looks like it goes all the way through. Wow, this is kind of neat. Go over there and see little towns. There's a couple silos, looks like, and maybe water towers. Like right over in that region. Caution. Not safe, keep away. Why is it not safe? Because, oh, it's crumbling, yeah. As long as I'm not stepping in it. Yeah, I wonder if this was the old cross. Like if it was right here. And they tore it down and moved it up the hill. I don't know. Almost looks like they put on plays up here. Neat. Yeah, beautiful day here in Bald Knob, Illinois. A little windy if you couldn't tell. So weird for December weather here. Usually it's balls cold by now. But I don't know. The weather's been kind of awkwardly pushed back every year. It seems like that our winters are changing, and it's not happening till like January now. Kind of goes into almost April. Yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. Pretty sweet. Like I said, I wanted to record coming over because the roads are pretty nice. It's a good day for a drive, but most of the scenery is pretty rough because it's this time of year. But I'm amazed that we still have green grass here. And the trees are dead. Definitely looks a lot more prettier in the actual summertime when I first came here. But yeah, that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you do, remember to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. You can catch me on Twitter at jmman07. Yeah, all that good stuff. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. But I'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.